guys, welcome. It's Birdman Dave, and I'm here to show you a little something about the beautiful nature and birds. I love birds. When I moved out in Long Island, I was so happy that we have hundreds of types of birds that we can see on any given day. We have special exotic birds like blue jays, cardinals, doves, finches, yellow finches, robins, and all different types of birds that we'll see on a daily basis. So what I do is, I like to put throughout my backyard, I like to put various types of bird food and feeders to try to attract the different types of birds, because not everybody likes the same food. Some people like to eat meat, some people like to eat tofu, some people like to eat oranges, some people prefer apples. So everybody prefers different types of food, so do birds. Different types of birds attract to different types of food. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I got the classic bird food, and I'm going to put it right up here into my bird feeder. I purposely waited until it was empty. I'm going to fill it up. It's going to attract a lot of little birds, and then what I do is, when I'm done with that, I take a little bit and sprinkle on the floor. Because some of the birds prefer to take it from the floor. Next up, some birds prefer fruit. Believe it or not, they like fruit with some peanut butter. So I made a little mix of an apple with some peanut butter. So what I'm going to do is, come with me please. You look over here, I have a nice bird house where we get a lot of birds. I have a bird bath. Right now it's a little empty. I haven't had rain in a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my bird just like that. And we're going to see when different birds might come and attract to that. The bird bath's a little empty. We've had a little drought here out in Long Island. What about you guys in Brooklyn and Queens? Next up, I'm going to show you a small birdhouse that I made out of a mailbox. I wasn't getting any mail. Nobody sends me letters, nobody sends me pictures. It's a little sad. So what I decided to do was, I decided to take my mailbox and turn it into Bird's Welcome House. And look at that. If you look closely, you'll see that I've gotten even a nest. From last season, we even got a nest of some birds. I take a little bit of seed, put it in the entrance, and I put some in there, and they love it. And they get some little birds throughout the season. This is not the nesting season. Nesting season primarily is in the spring. You'll start to see nesting. Last, I made a little cake. A bird cake is good because some birds prefer to eat like a cake. It's got a mix of nuts, peanut butter. We got a lot of things. We got bird cakes. In fact, usually I make bird cakes. If you look around, you'll see I have some bird cakes hanging. You see those beautiful birds over there? Those guys are eating some of my bird cakes. So what we're gonna do is, at the end of this video, first I'm gonna show you a giant bird coming onto my hand. That's a special treat for later. And then I'm gonna show you a little bit how to make a bird cake. And it'll be a fun experiment for you guys to do. You're gonna need some seeds. You could even do some Cheerios, whatever it is, and have a great time. So thank you. Take in the air, take in the sound, the beautiful music of a bird. They're hearing me because I'm in sync with the bird. And that's it. It's beautiful nature at its best. As promised, we're going to show you how to put a large bird onto your hand. Don't try this at home. I have history doing this. I have experience. And a little tidbit, my great aunt is Pigeon Lady from Home Alone. So she taught me a lot about this. So just know, next time you watch Home Alone, know Pigeon Lady is my great aunt. So here we go. I'm going to rub bird food all over myself. And then gonna touch it. I don't want to bite off my fingers or anything, but this is incredible. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time, guys.